Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a very important feature in Microsoft Excel that is called conditional formatting. Conditional formatting actually makes your data visually appealing and meaningful. Here in column G you can see we have a salary of the employees. Let's select this column and go to conditional formatting, and here you can see we have many options. Let's go to the first one. If you go into highlight a cells rule, you can see we have multiple options: greater than, less than, between. I'm going to use the first one. I will click over it, and here you can see the artificial intelligence of the Excel has done a pretty good job in dividing our data into two parts and gave us a figure of 80,000 as a value, from which the numbers greater than have been highlighted as red. You can change this number as per your requirement, and you can also change the color from here as well. Let me go again over here, again into highlight cell rules. Here you can see we have been given the other option: less than, between, equal to, and also you can see various other formattings have been given. Let me click on this second one. Here you can see we have been given top 10 items. If we click again, you can see these are top 10 items. You can increase their number. For example, you can increase them like this. Similarly, you can opt to have top 10% and then change the values to any other percentage as well. Similarly, you can also go for a bottom 10%, above average as well. Let's go into the next, that is data bars. Here you can click on any of these and you can see it's giving us values depending on where they are placed from top to bottom. Here you can see as we move ahead, or as the salary increases, so does the bar, and you can change its color, select the column, and also you can go for solid colors. I think nobody would opt for these as they actually obscure the data. And similarly here we have been given some other options as well. And in the icon sets, you can see we have been given 3 icons, 4 icons, as well as we have been given shapes and indicator as well. Let me show you what does this mean. If I click over it, you can see we have these down arrows which represent the lower values, and these arrows directed towards right falls in the middle, and these lower ones actually represent the higher value. Actually, it has divided this data set into 3 parts, and you can also go to for 4 parts, 5 parts as well. Similarly, you can also use these shapes as well as these indicator as well. One of the important feature of this conditional formatting is how to make new rules. For example, here you can see we have region names: east, west, north, etc. And we want only the south to be highlighted with certain color. And as we change the region name, for example, south to north, then we want only the north to be highlighted. So how can we do this? Let's select this F column, go to conditional formatting, click on new rule, and here use a formula to determine which cells to format. Let's click on this F column, and here you can see this F has a $sign around it. Anything inside $sign means it's absolute, which means this won't change. But if you see, this one is actually representing the row. This is the first row. Since we want rows to change, so I'm going to remove this $sign from behind the row. Now we want this column to be equal to south, and if this column is equal to south, which means it is equal to this value, then we want to format it to a color like this. Click OK and click OK, and here we go. You can see that now south is being highlighted. If you change the south to north, let me write north, and here you can see now north is being highlighted. In this way, you can use your own rule to easily grasp a cluttered data. And if you want to remove this formatting, you can go to clear rules, rules from the selected cell. Let me select it first, and then I will go over here, clear rules, click on clear selected cell, and here we go. The rules have been done away with. I hope you have learned something new in this video. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.